Hi guys, in this video I'll give you the complete view about the scores versus percentile for the CAT exam. This is the target setting for CAT 21. Yeah, and how can we set the target? The only way to set the target is to benchmark the last year performance. So this is based on CAT 2020 ka data. So we are kind of trying to extrapolate the data in what kind of cutoff will be this year. Now, first of all, we don't know whether this year will be a 2 hours ka paper or 3 hours ka paper. So we don't know whether it will be a 2 hours or 3 hours ka paper. Whatever it is, we have to be prepared for that. But as of now, I'm assuming a 2 hours ka paper only. We cannot find out the breakup unless it's in August, because the exact timing till August, because that is when they will announce, the CAT authority will announce the new pattern and everything. Till the time, I'm assuming the number of hours is to be 2 hours. So all my analysis is based on the 2 hours ka paper, which means 40 minutes, 40 minutes, 40 minutes per section. Okay, so now let's go by the section by section. Of CAT paper, every question is worth 3 marks with negative marking. So 3 marks plus 3 and minus 1. So depending on what percentile you want to target. So we have the target. I believe a good target is minimum 80 percentile, 90, 95, 99, 99.5. These are the 5 targets we have to look at, because depending on your category, depending upon your performance in the mocks, these are the 5 numbers where you can get a decent college. If you ask me frankly, 70, 60, 50, please, even if you score less, don't go for these colleges. 80 percentile above is where the decent colleges start. Okay, and if you're from the reserved category, 80 percentile will be beneficial for you. Now, today I want to give the example of 99 percentile. So this is a number I'll explain so that you can get the other number as well. So target number 1 for you is to get 99 percentile is to get 100 marks. सब हटा दो, आपको कैट में यू नीड 100 मार्क्स, 3 मार्क्स पर क्वेश्चन डिवाइड बाय 3, तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 34 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट नेट. फॉर एग्जांपल आई डू 50 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट, उनमें से 10 आर रॉन्ग. सो माय नेट इज 50 इंटू 3, मतलब 40 आर राइट. सो 40 इंटू 3, 120 माइनस 10, आई गेट 110 मार्क्स. या सो दैट वे यू टू कैलकुलेट. सो नेट. Okay, that's not your target today, that's the target in November. For now, even if you target 70 percentile is good. That's why I'm giving the first target to student as getting 30, 35 marks. So that is the first target. So by May end, May 30, get me 35 marks, 30 to 35 marks. That's more than sufficient for the time being. Yeah, 32 to 35 marks is your first target by May 30. Okay, now 100 is your mark. Wherever you study, just put 100 marks. I'm an engineer, I'm non-engineer, this and that, my acads are good, acads are bad. I don't care. You get me 100 marks in the CAT paper, you are going to get a 20 lakh ka job. For that, you might end up in IIM Ahmedabad, you might end up in IIM Lucknow, FMS, IIT Bombay, I don't know, I don't care. Fine. Please stop looking at your 10, 12 k marks. No doubt, they are important, but not very important. Yaar, theek hai yaar, if 2, 3, if your acads are very bad, 2, 3, 5, 10 calls will not give you the call. At least remaining half we can target. Okay, so first target we have set is 100 marks, which is 34 question correct. But overall, this much marks is not important. We need to clear the section cutoff as well. So from the quant point of view, 43 marks divided by 4, 14 question correct. From verbal point of view, DLR point of view, 35 marks, which is 12 question correct. And verbal point of view, 42 marks, which is 14 question correct. So 14 net correct, 12, 14. If you can touch these numbers, your overall percentile will cross 99 percentile for sure. Okay, now to get 99 percentile, even if you touch the numbers one level below, for example, I got 11 question correct, DLR 8 question correct, and quant 14 correct, I will still reach 95 percentile. 2 from one level below and 1 from one level above, and overall score should be this. Okay, so CAT contains 4 cutoffs, not 3 cutoffs. Please try to understand that. 4 cutoffs is your verbal, DLR, quant, and overall. Yeah, so if I set the targets for you, first target is to get 30 marks. This is the target by May end. Yeah, this is the target for May. Today we are in March, April, May. We are launching one new program this Monday. So in case you want to join, you can join us. In that program, my target is to complete my syllabus by May end or June end. Yeah, first target. Then the second target will become 50 marks. That will be by August 30. August end, the target become 50, 80 marks. 50, 30, 50. Then come the third target, which is in September, which is 75 marks, which is 95 percentile, 80 percentile, 60 percentile. And then November, we will target 100, 115, 150. That all depend upon your hard work and luck. Yeah, let's go step by step. So please take a screenshot of this page, because this is very, very important for you to understand at what percentile, which college you can get. Alright. So in case you want to join our program, we're launching our new batch from Monday. Every Monday we launch a new batch. So just call the number given here for the online classes. Yeah, just call us on any of the numbers given here. Alright, all the best.